Hey there! How are you doing? My name is Lucy. I am an exchange student at UNO, studying social science. I like discussing social issues, and I'm also a huge fan of movies and theaters productions. I use social media applications to follow news on the upcoming productions and releases of new movies constantly. One of my most used social media app is Twitter, which I use every single day, almost every hour of the day. Last week, I had the chance to watch the latest Marvel superhero movie, Avengers: Infinity War. I've seen an overwhelming positive reviews about it from the Twitter accounts I followed, but I couldn't seem to find out what's the public's overall attitude towards it. Since everyone I follow is raving about it, but what about others? What about people who's not a regular movie viewers, or people who never watched Avengers or any other Marvel series before? Are their views positive or negative? Luckily, I stumbled upon this website where I can find out what people think about things that I am interested in from their tweets. Doesn't that sound interesting? So let's go there and find out. Okay, here we go. Ooh, look at the background. The human figures with conversation bubbles are adorable. And the color combinations are lovely. I like the red and black theme with a hint of golden brown. The fronts and spacings are also consistent and aligned. Apparently, this method is called sentiment analysis, which I have never heard of before, but I'm excited to see what it does and how it works. The instruction is simple. What do you want to search for on Twitter? Type in and get started. Well, since I want to know what other people's opinions are on the new Avengers movie, let's type in Avengers and click Start Analyzing. Here we go. Now it's trying to connect to Twitter and getting real-time data. Well, hooray! We're connected, and analysis is in progress. All the Avengers-related tweets are analyzed and shown on the visualization chart in the middle of the screen. The visualization chart is a combination of a scatter plot and a bubble plot with interactive features. All the data are real-time Twitter data. At the top, it shows the progress of an analysis and the ID of the tweet that is being analyzed and visualized at the moment. Scrolling down, we can see the actual tweet that is being analyzed and the location of the tweet in the chart. The result data point shows up gradually with the corresponding tweets occurring at the bottom while the chart expands in both directions. All data points are clearly classified into two sentiments. It is obvious that the first green represents the negative sentiment. The salmon red represents a positive sentiment. When moving the mouse around and on top of a specific data point, the shape will be highlighted with data detail aside that can be referenced to the related tweets down below. Two straight lines head towards the X and Y axis, indicating the exact location of the data point on the chart. And now, the visualization is completed, as indicated above. Well, we could see that most people do have a positive sentiment towards a new Avengers movie. Some negative sentiment can also be found. And we can always go down there to see what are those negative sentiments about. Now, we can go back to the home page and start over again. What is the next keyword you want to search for? About the new Deadpool movie, the visualization has already been done here, and we can see that there are some negative sentiment tweets related to it. However, it doesn't mean that it is an overall bad movie, It could be the words people use to describe the movie or swearing word. We can always go down there and check what people actually talked about. Well, I could also search for any other keywords, obviously non-superhero related. If I'm finished playing around with the tool, I could go to the top left, click on the menu button, and go see the source code of the project. The detailed instruction on how to use these projects is down below. Thanks to the amazing visualization tool, without having a background in AI and without knowing the detailed math algorithms behind it, I now understand how sentiment analysis works and how it can be used. It could be applied to many other products besides analyzing twists to benefit real-world users. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!